Aloha. Today we held the opening ceremony for the 14th Conference of the Pacific Community, which marked the end of the CRGA 55, but the beginning of the conference. The opening ceremony was held at Tonga High School Indoor Stadium here in Nuku'alofa. In attendance was His Royal Highness Crown Prince Tupotoa Ulukalala and Crown Princess Sinaitakala. Alongside them was our ministers and Pacific leaders of the region.
Regionalism is about unity, shared purpose, and mutual support. When we stand together, we amplify our voices and strengthen our collective capacity to face the challenges of our time. As Tuvalu concludes its term as chair, I wish to express our gratitude for the trust and support we have received from all members and from the Secretariat. It has been a privilege to serve. It is now my honor to formally hand over the chairmanship of the conference to the Kingdom of Tonga. We are confident that Tonga will continue to guide this body with wisdom, inclusivity, and dedication to the values of the Pacific community.
In his address, His Royal Highness mentioned that the last time the conference was held in Tonga was in 2009. He continued on and spoke on how spaces such as these are crucial for our leaders so that they are able to come together to discuss issues directly affecting our region.
Those before us lived in harmony with the ocean and the land for thousands of years. Their resilience and wisdom guide us today. We carry on their responsibility for protecting our islands, communities, and future generations. For more than 75 years, SPC has helped improve lives across the Pacific, supporting better education, health, and livelihoods. These achievements belong to all of us and show what we can do together.
The opening ceremony also showcased a strong youth presence. Students of the Tupou College Brass Band and Tonga High School performed cultural performances and musical items that showed the power of our young people when they are given the space to showcase their talents and their gifts through the arts.
Through all the changes of history and challenges we've faced, one thing has never shifted: our Pacific way. The understanding that progress comes from working together, that we are stronger when we act as good neighbours and even better guardians of our Blue Pacific continent. Before I conclude, please allow me to convey my sincere appreciation to the government and the people of the Kingdom of Tonga for your warm hospitality and generosity in hosting us this week.
Tomorrow, we'll discuss the key issues that affect our people and how the SPC can stay strong and ready for the future. May this conference inspire us to keep working together and honour our past, face today's challenges with courage, and build a secure and united Pacific for tomorrow. As the guardians of our Blue Pacific, to be strong in our roots, steady in our purpose, and hopeful for the future. Maloha bito and Godspeed to all of you.
Stay tuned for the final update for the week of CRGA 55 and the 14th Conference of the Pacific Community. This is Mia Kami reporting from Nuku'alofa, Tonga. Maloha bito.